Boys, a CPM developer just told me Lamborghinis are coming back to car parking.
Oh my god!
He didn't tell me the exact date, but that is not the reason I made this video. You guys liked the previous mod video that I made, so today I'm back with an even better mod. But before we get into the video, shout out to these awesome subscribers. If you also want a shout out on the next video, subscribe and comment shout out. So this mod, I've got 3 new cars that we don't have in CPM. A BMW E30 with no roof.
Nice.
Which I personally think is the best car on this mod. Next up, we have a 4-door Volkswagen Passat with a realistic emblem at the rear of the car and on the front grille. And last but not least, we've got a Volkswagen Polo GTI with a deleted back bumper and a bonnet.
LOL.
Alongside this mod, there's unlimited money, a free W16 engine, all the houses are unlocked, and it also have all the Lamborghinis that were removed from the game. Downloading this mod is easy. But before I show you guys the tutorial, I want you guys to know that it is very laggy. And by the way, if you've made it this far, comment W so I know who the real channel supporters are. Okay, so in order to download this mod, you'll first have to install Telegram and then create an account. After that, you're going to search and then join this group, or just use the link on the video description. After you've joined the group, you can either download it from the general chat or by clicking the group profile files, and it'll be the first files on top. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and stay sexy, boys.